Welcome everyone. In this section, we will explore emerging sustainable technologies and their role in protecting the environment. Sustainable technologies are innovations designed to conserve resources, reduce pollution, and support ecological balance. One of the most significant areas of innovation is renewable energy. Solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric systems are becoming more efficient and cost-effective. These technologies reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Solar farms can power communities without producing harmful emissions. Wind turbines convert wind energy into electricity, providing clean energy without depleting resources. Hydroelectric systems use water flow to produce energy while balancing human needs with environmental concerns. Another area is water conservation technology. Smart irrigation systems deliver water precisely where it is needed. Water recycling and treatment technologies allow wastewater to be reused safely. Desalination plants convert seawater into freshwater, providing reliable water supplies while reducing waste. Emerging technologies also focus on waste management and the circular economy. Advanced recycling systems recover valuable resources from waste. Composting turns organic waste into nutrient-rich soil. Some companies convert plastic waste into building materials, fuels, or textiles, reducing landfill use and pollution. In agriculture, precision farming is transforming crop production. Drones, sensors, and AI monitor soil, crop health, and water usage. Farmers can apply resources only where needed, reducing environmental damage and improving yields. Green building technologies are also advancing. Energy-efficient materials, smart lighting, and solar energy reduce consumption and emissions while creating healthier spaces. Sustainable transportation is improving with electric vehicles, hybrids, and better public transport, reducing pollution and carbon emissions. Carbon capture and storage technologies remove CO2 from the atmosphere or industrial emissions, helping combat climate change. The potential of these technologies is immense. They help conserve resources, reduce pollution, and promote sustainable development. By adopting these innovations, industries and communities can create a cleaner, more sustainable future. Emerging sustainable technologies demonstrate that human innovation can work hand in hand with nature. They provide practical solutions to environmental challenges while supporting economic growth. By continuing to develop and implement these technologies, we can protect the planet for current and future generations. As we reach the end of this course, it's important to reflect on what we've learned. We explored how our consumption patterns, materials, and economic activities directly impact the environment. We saw how environmental impact assessments, sustainable business practices, and emerging technologies provide solutions to protect our planet. From AI applications to renewable energy and precision agriculture, innovation is helping us use resources more responsibly. The key message is clear: sustainability is a shared responsibility. Every decision we make, whether as individuals, businesses, or governments, shapes the future of our planet. By adopting sustainable practices, reducing waste, and supporting technologies that conserve resources, we can create a balanced world where economic growth and environmental protection go hand in hand. Remember, the health of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Sustainability is not just a concept, it is a pathway to a cleaner, safer, and more resilient future for generations to come.